After you have checked those articles, you can submit the articles to website directly. Fill in the account information. Input the website. Select account. Select articles. If no articles in this column, you can import the article from text file. Input tags. Category. How many tags used in the articles? How many categories used in the articles? All articles submitted to all accounts. You can set schedule publish time. Generate the tasks. Add to the task list. Click Start. Here you can see the task logs.